Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. I saw this on TikTok. Right here I have 2 eggs beaten, frozen waffles, vanilla, cinnamon, brown sugar, milk, and I'm gonna need a little butter. Let's put this together. Right here I have 2 scrambled eggs. I'm adding some cinnamon, vanilla, brown sugar, and milk. And I'm going to beat this together. Next, I have a hot skillet. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of butter. Now I'm taking my waffles and I'm dipping them. I've added my waffles. Very nice. It's a different type of a French toast. And these are my frozen French toast waffles. They really come out good. It's a very easy, very fast breakfast, and it just takes them up like 100 points. Very, very tasty. And of course, you just put your syrup. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I will see you next time.